Hi everybody, this is Davide Biocchi speaking from Italy, and here we are for my intermarket weekly analysis. Let's start as usual with the euro dollar that was doing exactly the same figure that happened when we were running up. Now we are running down, but the situation is quite similar. We have a trading range that goes, let's say, in between 1.113, 1.08, quite similar to the previous experience that we had here with the volatility that later came down, okay? And we can expect it to continue to be like that here, except the fact that the market can go above this level. In the case, we will go again in this previous, let's say, trading range here. So immediately after, the impact of euro dollar is on commodities. So let's start with the gold that was able to reach, let's say, the double top here, exactly the same price as it was in the summer of the year 2020. The price is around 2080, okay? And it's very clear here that we have seen something like a cap, okay? And that we are right now, let's say, going to know if the market will rebound after this test of some support around here, or if, let's say, this double top will work as a long-term resistance. So let's see what is going to happen soon. The crude oil, on the other side, was able to go down and to retest, test again the price of, let's say, a little bit less than $95 per barrel, where there was a quite relevant support. If we go back to the years 2011, 2014, we had a strong resistance around 108, 110, okay? And this is where exactly the price is right now and where the market is working. So again, I think that the magnet price of $100 will work again, and in this period we will see the market around that price, except for some, let's say, a different scenario that can come from Ukraine, that can be always around the corner. But despite from that, or let's say, if we will not see any escalation, I think that the prices will remain around this level. Let's switch to the stock indices, starting with the European one and with the Euro Stock 50 that was able to come back to the previous level of 3,900. Then, with the complicity of the fact that we have now a new contract, because this is the future, that will expire in June, and that is, let's say, trading at some lower level, 100 or something like that, because of the dividends that will be paid in between. Let's say that we can again say that the main resistances here will work at 3,900 and then at 3,980, at least 3,400, 4,000. So this is more or less where the market will find relevant resistances, and for the DAX, the main one is, let's say, for the DAX, the main one is exactly at 14,800. This is the most relevant resistance that we can see here. And if the market will be able to reach that level, I think that it could be easy, especially at the first attempt, that the market rejected it. So let's see what is going to happen in the next session. For what concerning US indices, well, let's see what the market is going to offer us for this week. But we have seen in a quite similar situation, both, let's say, the Nasdaq that here we have in front, able to go through and above the quite relevant resistance of 14,200, and the S&P 500. The figure is very similar, and they were both able to react. There was a recovery, and let's say that the markets are back, especially now they are a little bit lower in volatility. So I think that gains could extend, let's say, if no bad news will come from the war in Europe. So this is what I think in general. The last one I will show you is the Russell. For more than 1 year, the Russell was trading in between prices like 2100, 2350. Then in this year, the trading range changed 1900 to 2100. So we are very close to the possibility to see the market back in the previous trading range. Will it happen? Well, this is a resistance. Let's see if it will become reality. It could be very important. Otherwise, we will continue thinking that this is the new year range. So thank you very much for being here. This is Davide Biocchi from Italy. See you soon. Bye bye.